Every time, Bobby. What the heck?
Yo, come on.
Why is it always this one?
Yeah, but I'm ballin'. I came from nothing to
We're going to our professor's Christmas party. Dude, frick yeah. Dude, here's the garage. Oh yeah. Here's Thomas.
We're tilting. We're tilting.
Look at the expression on his face.
Help! Help, Doobie. Yes.
Oh snap! No! Charlie, did you knock this over?
No.
I swear, if you knocked this over,
Dude.
I will cut you.
Charles.
Just back off. Back off.
Leave this when you're done, so our son can play with it tomorrow if you would. He's gonna come down and have like
A heart attack.
yeah. He's gonna come down and be like, this is the greatest thing ever. Why didn't Daddy ever do anything this cool? That's the thing. We're gonna have to figure out how to make it all go back together. You guys realize now I have to build this thing, this
All the time.
monstrosity, every single time he wants to play with trains.
We did it. We did our jobs. We did it. Look, I'll get an aerial view of everything so you know how to build it again next time, okay?
I'm using, so you're gonna get at
Click.
least like 20 views for this blog.
Yeah.
Just for reference for how to build this stupid thing again.
Can I get some cinema train B-roll, please? Good job. It's beautiful work, sir. Dude, good job. Good job. Good job. See you, my guys. Goodbye, my guys. That was a really fun party.